everybody, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make my grandma's oatmeal cookie recipe. Only thing is I don't put onions. Ooh, Lord have mercy, I'm tired. I don't put raisins in it because I don't like raisins. So anyway, but I'm fixing to name my channel to Julie B. For the simple fact nobody can find me. I've been looking at a lot of the YouTube channels and seeing how they do it, and I'm doing a cooking cleaning motivation. My channel is mainly cooking, but I'm also doing cleaning because I'm 57 years old and I keep a halfway decent house except for when I had surgery, and I mean, if y'all look, you'll see. Yeah, I just kind of had to take a back seat for a while because of my shoulder surgery, but I'm back and it's better. But I still have to have help cooking because I can't pick up heavy pans and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is flip y'all around and tell y'all what you need. I've already started preheating my oven to 400 degrees. Just so that way it'll be ready by the time I'm get everything together. Because my oven, even though it's brand new, it's about COVID, about 4 years old, my oven takes so long to heat up. Don't know why. So anyway, what I'm going to do is flip y'all around, and I will link this in the description, so you can find the recipe easy. But this is so old. I mean, it is so old. The card's worn. I have a peach cobbler recipe that I'm going to do later. That's the same way. So let me flip y'all around and show you what we're going to do. Okay, so what we're going to need is shortening, oatmeal, vanilla, 2 eggs, baking powder, salt. I use the Himalayan salt because it's got less mercury in it. Baking soda, I don't know if I've already said that. Milk. This is A2 milk. It's 2%, which will be fine. I need sweetener. We're going to use the granulated no-calorie sweetener by Great Value. And we're going to use flour. And I might put some walnuts in it. Yep, I decided we're going to put a little bit of walnuts in it. Probably going to chop these up real fine, and then that way we can get them going. So I'm going to get my stuff over here, and we're going to get my mixer going.
My voice is just a call away. You don't have to be afraid. You don't have to be afraid. I'll keep you safe all night and day. I'll be where you wanna be. Yes, I'll be where you wanna be. I'll be your rock, I'll be your man. Just like from where it all began. You're more than everything. You're more than everything to me. Make me a promise, tell me you love me, and that you'll never shut me out. To me or regardless, baby, let me show you what I'm about. Call me your lover, call me whatever, long as I'm alive. I'll try to be just completely amazing. You're the reason why. You're still down when the sun is up, when you really had enough, when you really had enough. Know that you always got a friend who was there when it all began. promise. Tell me you love me, baby, that you never shut me out. To me you're a goddess. Baby, let me show you what I'm about. Call me your lover, call me whatever. As long as I'm alive, I'll try to be just completely amazing. You're the reason why.
And that, my friends, are our oatmeal cookies. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe. It helps my channel out. Share. And anyway, I'm going to have more to bring to you. Talk to y'all later. Bye.